Good morning. This is a recording for Saturday, June 28th. The Zen story for today is titled The Gold That Melted in the Rain. The storm raged through the night, rattling the rooftops and flooding the streets. By dawn, the rain had stopped, leaving behind broken branches and pools of muddy water. Hiroshi stepped outside and gasped. His prized golden statues, the secret vault of his wealth, had been reduced to formless lumps. A wealthy merchant, Hiroshi, possessed an immense fortune that was plagued by the fear of thieves. Wary of banks and hidden vaults, he devised a plan. He commissioned a sculptor to mold his gold into life-sized statues, placing them in his garden as if they were mere decorations. Visitors marveled at the craftsmanship, never suspecting that the statues were not merely gilded, but pure gold. Hiroshi took pride in his deception, believing he had outwitted greed itself. His sculptures stood on the village square, admired by all, yet no one knew their true worth. One evening, dark clouds gathered over the town, and the heavens opened. A heavy rain poured through the night, soaking the earth and flooding the streets. When dawn broke, Hiroshi stepped into his garden and gasped in horror. The statues, once solid and magnificent, had softened, their edges crumbling. Gold, so pure it had been malleable, had washed away in streams of glittering mud. Hiroshi knelt before the crumbling statues, his hands coated in golden dust, watching helplessly as the rain carried his life's work into the earth. His neighbors gathered in silence, watching his despair. An old monk, who often passed through the town, stepped forward. He examined the ruined garden, then picked up a handful of golden dust, letting it slip through his fingers. Strange, he murmured, how something so valuable disappears the moment we try to keep it. Hiroshi stared at the empty pedestals, realizing that in his effort to preserve his fortune, he had lost both the art and the gold. The wealth had never truly been his, only borrowed for a time, like everything else in life. That night, as the rain began to fall again, Hiroshi sat in his empty workshop, no longer weighing his success in gold, but in the memories of what his hands had once shaped. Take a comfortable position, and as always, take a few moments to relax your body, arriving in stillness. Maybe let your eyes close gently and take a nice, satisfying breath in and out. Feel the breath entering your nose, cool and light, and then feel the warmth as you exhale, releasing tension, allowing you to soften a bit. There is no need to change anything. Just observe and notice the space around you and the quiet spaces between sounds. Be here in this moment, just as it is. And when thoughts come, let them pass, like clouds, like ripples, like water. Now take a moment to reflect. What do you hold on to so tightly that it controls you? What do you hold on to so tightly that it controls you? If everything you owned washed away tomorrow, what would remain? If everything you owned washed away tomorrow, what would remain? Now bring your hands to your heart and send the energy of loving kindness to yourself. May I be filled with loving kindness. May I be well in body and mind. May I feel cared for, protected, at ease. May I remember that I have enough, I do enough, and I am enough. May I touch deep, natural peace. As you gently let go of the practice, scan your body and notice what's going on for you right now, physically, emotionally, mentally. How are you really? And as you go through your day today, I invite you to continue with these reflections. And also be sure to check out Private Circle Group for practical moments of Zen you can play with. As always, enjoy your discoveries. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a lovely day, and I will see you tomorrow.